Welcome to Know Your Leader, where voices rise, a platform for change where leaders realize the weight of their words, the power they hold, a stage to shape the future, young and old. Here we seek the truth, we ask the questions bold, we probe the depths of policies untold. Join Usiyabonga Mpungose as he explores the leaders who shape our world in store. With every word, a story is told of hope, of struggle, of a nation's hold. Let's know our leaders, let's hear their tale, and may the wisdom our future prevail.
Alright, ngokukhulu kuyithoba ukhambelana nenhlonipho. Igama lami nginguSiyabonga. Ngowampungose insizwa le phansi endaweni ebizwa ukuthi kusempophomeni. Akunawo umfundo engiphuzayo mina, ngiphuza imidwa nje ngiyithola ngeThebhe ithi kokoko ingena lapha kumina ekhaya empophomeni. Njengoba sishilo uhlelo lwethu bizwa ukuthi Know Your Leader, la esilanda khona abaholi. Sihlale naye phansi. Uthola sixoxa ngezinto ezingascriptiwe, sixoxa noma ingane eqhamukayo ngoba sikwi-podcast. Namhlanje sizizwa sithobeka ukuthatha isikhathi sakhe driver ntwana sekasi ufuna ukufika ekasi labakasi ngikuthole ulapha ebackroom la enakha khona lento yenu eniyenzayo sizohlala nawe njengamanje am joined by uKhabazela enginaye la simazi kakhulu njengo deputy mayor endaweni yaseMsunduzi kodwa namhlanje ukhona aka deputy mayor uhleli lapha e-student sethu lapha i-service delivery ithola kuthina. Khabazela siyakubingelela ohlelweni lethu namhlanje.
Ngiyabingelela mfoka Mpungose, ngibingelele nababukeli bonke be podcast ethi Know Your Leader.
Mfowethu Khabazela, mhlambe kwezinye zezinto ngiyaza uyena umuntu omandla lapha ku social media, siyavela upostile uKhabazela, ngikwazi nje akiyazi le account yakhe yodwa, but yini ekwenza ukuthi uvume masikucela ukuthi sacela ukuthi uzohlala nathi nje sihlabeni?
Ngiyabonga kakhulu mfoka Mpungose. Ake ngizethule nje kahle khona ababukeli bonke bezokwazi ukuthi ngingubani. Igama ngingumxolisi ngwakamkhize Sibongo. Ngokuzalwa ngizalwa endaweni yase Elandscope. Ngikhulele khona, ngisahlala khona. Ngizalwe ke eminyakeni eminingi in the early 80s. So iminyaka yami mina ifihliwe iyaziwa iwona wonke umuntu. Ngifunde endaweni yese kwaMadlala Primary School amabanga aphansi. Ngadlulela eLanga Lakhe High School khona endaweni yase Elandscope. Ngase ngehla ke ngonyaka 1999 sengiya ngasedolobheni lapho ngiye khona endaweni yase Mbali ngafunda ePlesisleya Technical College. So ngiqale ngafunda eTechnical College ngaphambi kokuba ngidlulele enyuvesi. Iziqu zami zokuqala nje ngazithola from Plesisleya Technical College.
Lesi TVET manje.
Sekuyi TVET impela manje. So ke nje ngingumuntu wokhula emakhaya. Now ngilapha ke sengizithola ke nami sengiwu deputy mayor ngelinye ilanga. Ngenxa yokuthi ke abantu baseMsunduzi bebambisene nenhlangano African National Congress babona ukuthi kuma challenges abhekene nomkhandlu amagxalaba ami wona abanzi azokwazi ukuthi amelane nazo. Ngabe sengivuma ke nami ngakwazi ke ukuthi irresponsibility iorganization enginika yona kanye nezakhamuzi zonke zaseMsunduzi okuyiPietermaritzburg abanginika zona ngavuma ukuthi ngizokuhamba ngiyoseva ukuthi ngiqinisekise ukuthi impilo zabantu bakithi eMsunduzi sizokwazi ukuthi sizenze zibe ngcono kunendlela kade ziyona ngaphambili.
Khabazela, ngifisa ukubheka masihlehla siyala ngoba ngaphambi ukuthi bakuthathe bakujube bakunika indawo kuyona kunendawo mhlambe emazingeni eqale khona isondelana kanjani kuwena into yezepolitiki ngoba phela ongabe umdlali webhola ovelele ongaba yiactor noma umculi ukuthi nje nealbum ethi mxo efani bani engaphuma. Ngifisa ukuchecka nincikana kanjani yini ekusondeza nepolitiki esikhathi nje sobuncane bakhe nini la ubona khona ukuthi yaqala ukungisondela kulesi sikhathi?
I-environment yendawo engikhulele kuyona iyona engenze ngazithola ngi-involve kwipolitiki eminyakeni yobuncane bami. Uma ungaya endaweni yangasekhaya bonke bangakutshela ukuthi involvement yami isuka kephi. Singakabi even active politically kodwa kwase kubonakala ukuthi ngelinye ilanga mhlawumbe lo mntwana lona uyokuba ngumholi. Ngizalwe endaweni yaseSikopo. Uma sizalwe endaweni yaseSikopo ngizalwe kwabe sekuqala udlame. So uma kuqala udlame luqale endaweni yangakithi. Now ngikhula khona ke nami ke lapho ke ngikhulele eKhaboma kwaHlela. angihlala ngekhaya kaMkhize, ngihambe ngayohlala ekhaya la ngikhulele khona impilo yami yonke nje. Ngihlala nabomalume, ngihlala nabo bonke abantu baseKhaboma, nomkhulu nogogo. Ingane kagogo nje mina nomkhulu ngikhulele khona. Now uma sikhula endaweni kanti kuzoba khona isikhathi sodlame, umndeni wakwaHlela kanti wona uactive kulento ye-United Democratic Front. So umalume wami wayekade ke bambe iqhaza elikhulu entweni ye-UDF ngaleso sikhathi. Kwabeke umaqala udlame ungomunye wobantu bokuqala baphunyukela umphefumulo wakhe ngesimo sodlame sangaleso sikhathi. Ngenxa ke yamaqembu ayekade ekhona endaweni ayephikisana ne-UDF endaweni yangakithi eSkopo. Lokho kwalidele ekutheni kokuthi angangcatshelwa even khona endaweni yaseSkopo ngoba kwakungavumelekile ukuthi kungcatshwe umuntu ekuthiwa uliqabane kuleyo ndawo lena yangakithi ngaleso sikhathi. So ke lokho ke by being umuntu ke okhona kulomndeni automatically sikhula ke thina sesingasekho aligned nenye yenhlangano ekhona endaweni, sesi-aligned nenhlangano ezozi-associate ne-United Democratic Front. So ke sibancane sinjalo ke sikhula lapho. Uma ufika esikoleni ufika ufundiswa isifundo ekuthiwa ubuntu botho. Uma ubuyele ekhaya utshelwe ukuthi labantu abala kubuntu botho ibona abantu ababulala umalume wakho. Unfortunately konke kwenzeka phambi kwamehlo ami. Ngimncane ngangilele nogogo befika bebulala amawindi, bephethe imkhonto, benza konke aziyange zayiwazi. It was 1988 up until sivuka ke ekseni sezotholakala umalume sebembulalele ngasemfuleni kaZicande emfuleni. So konke lokho ke kwenzeke umuntu ekhula. Now uma lento yenzeke at a young age, uma ubuya usubona into obuntu botho, angifuni ukumenshina amagama abantu ewakuthiwa ubani ulaphi, ubani umholi, ubani okwakushiwo esikoleni nxa ngifunda kaMandlala kubuntu botho. Uma uphinde ekhaya ukuthi into efundiwe kuthiwe this is a propaganda. So ingena kanjalo ke into yepolitics. So the more ngikhula ngi-conscious ngesimo sokuthi kwenzakaleni because ngimncane bekade ngi-exposed kwezinto lezi ebezenzeka whenever abantu bezokufika ekhaya bezokuhlangana nomalume bekhuluma ngento eziningi, bekhuluma ngabaholi bethu abasemajele ukuthi bazabalazela ukuthi kukhulule uMandela. Ngangazi nokuthi mina uSlovo kungumlungu. Ngangazi
ngifunda esikoleni ukuthi uyazi lo shutha akazi Joseph futhi kwawumlungu.
So ngangazi nami ukuthi uwumlungu kwaqobo lo, kodwa into ezazikhulunywa zonke lezo uyazizwa uma umncane zikhulunywa. So uma kushaya ke isikhathi se-unbanning, it was 3 years after incident eyenzeka, wonke umuntu wayejabule eneme ukuthi hawu ekugcineni uMandela usekhululiwe. Kanti kuzothi kusanda ukukhulula uMandela ngonyaka 1993 kushone ubaba uChris Hani. Sibe nomngcwabo omkhulu esawubona ku television. So yonke lento njengamanje iyambuleleka, bonke abantu babegcwele, imajority yasekhaya sasine TV yayikhona ekhaya bezobuka umngcwabo. So bonke abantu bekhuluma kahle bethi uyabona iyona into yayilwelwa lena umalume wakho nani. So iya instileka lento le kumina yesimo sani sepolitiki. So ngenxa ke mangikhula sengifika ke esikoleni, mangisuka technical college ngifunde eUNISA. So in as much as we correspondence university, but thina we're spending more time esikoleni. Saze ke sa joina ke iSouth African Student Congress. Ngaba usihlalo we-branch ye-South African Student Congress. Ngabe sengiphinda futhi ngiba ke i-Provincial Executive Committee member ye-South African Student Congress. Now uma ngibuyela ngapha ekhaya ngaba usihlalo we-branch. I think I was the youngest kwi-region ngaleso sikhathi, iMoses Mabhida region. I was the youngest branch chairperson. Ngakhula ke ngaba gcina sengikhethwa kwi-ANC Youth League i-Regional Executive Committee as an additional member. Ngaphinde ngangena kwi-RECA Youth League as u-Deputy Chairperson, ngaphinde ngangena kwi-RECA Youth League as the Regional Chair. Now mase ngu-Regional Chair ngase ngihlala-ke kwi-REC ye-ANC as an ex-officio. Ngihlale-ke isikhathi eside-ke ngoba-ke emva kwaloko zathi ukuma nje iy'nkomfa isikhashana abamningi kakhulu iminyaka engayihlala
uhleli usuyini-ke lapho
ngihleli nje kwi-RECA ANC as an ex-officio ngiwusihlalo nje
phela yazi ngihlekisa into kabazali bake lapho ngihlekisa ukuthi u-end-up usunegama lakho sekuyigama lakho usihlalo kusekhona mhlawumbe abantu abasala nalelo gama ukuthi babekubona nje bathi hey khamba kahle lapho sihlalo ngoba
lahamba kanjalo namanje nangasekhaya because ke ngasekhaya ngaba usihlalo wokuqala owadeliver ikhansela le-African National Congress ewadini yakithi uWard 7. uWard 7 wakade-ke since kwaqala ubuphethwe inhlangano ye-IFP. So uma ngiba usihlalo we led-ke ibranch nomphakathi zashintsha i-perception yabantu yawinwa iward ANC. So ngiwusihlalo wokuqala ngasekhaya owadeliver ikhansela le-ANC.
Fethu ima ubamba usalapho njengamanje mangibuka leminyaka ukhuluma ngayo umncane kakhulu mhlambe ke lokhu sengayi message kwabanye ababahola abancane ababuka le video njengamanje kwakunjani ukuphatha umthamo okuzongena nilwele ukuthatha iwadi ngoba kudlala ukuthatha iwadi wonke umuntu olokho akholwa ukuthi iqembu eliphethe kule wadi leli alikho elinye sayisalibona kunjani ukuthwala lawo mandla imapha strategies wasebenzisa okunomfana omncane mhlawumbe we-ANC lewo yona nawe njengamanje ongasho ukuthi ngiyathatha iphethe mhlawumbe amazwi noma ama strategies wasebenzisa ngizowasebenzisa angazi mayisethathwa amanye amaqembu wasebenzisa kodwa uyishare ukuthi kwakunjani imapha ama ideas wasebenzisa
amaqhinga esawasebenzisa kwakuthi silwele izidingo zomphakathi. 1 sasi kule level yokuthi kumele sifunde ukuhlukanisa ulayini between being radical and being arrogant. Into yokuqala le kufanele uyazi ukuthi what radicalism means, what does being arrogant mean. Uba njani uma u-arrogant uba radical kanjani, but you don't need to lose irrespect. Uma ngilid i-branch executive committee, the deputy chairperson was my former principal. Now owayengifundisa esikoleni engaye ngamtelekela ngalid isiteleka ngifunda umatric principal. The branch treasurer was my other former principal. So ubaba uNkabini wayekhona wayese uprincipal eGobindlovu wayekade efundisela ngalakhe uthisha uPhungula branch treasurer the same BEC ngilida nabantu abafunde noma wami esikoleni imini usihlalo wabo. Now uma ngibanika that command they give me that respect of which la ngifunde khona ukuthi labantu engiseva nawo bayanginika that respect yokuthi mina umholi. Into yokuqala uma uhola awuholi as an individual, you must learn ukuthi sihola as a collective. Now i-collectivism iyalekelela ukuthi ama-decision eniwathathayo nonke bese niyawa owner kungaba ama-decision okuzoba wena awakho wethu uNdlovu kayiphikiswa. Khumbula ukuthi thina la sibhekene nomqansi ongakhelwa mbongolo ngaleso sikhathi kuzokwakhiwa izindlu for everyone ohlala kaVundlela. Zakhiwa uhulumeni kwakune project akuthiwa uvula indlela development housing VDA association owawuzokwakhela izindlu for everyone. Kwakuthiwa leyo project a people enhancement project. So it drive ubani lo project amakhansela. So the sitting councillor is driving that project. So we have to take that project from yena and lead it. Abantu sizoba unblinder sibatshela ukuthi this is what we are doing as the ANC. Is for the first time in the history that project yenzeka kwaVundlela where more than 30 houses akhiwa zikhona even today. Uma zakhiwa lezindlu lezi that project ayikho yake bakhona eSouth Africa. Babuya bonke bezo benchmark ukuthi yakhiwe kanjani because that project yakwazi ukuhlanganisa and bring back peace kubantu because wabona abantu besebenza ngokubambisana. Imndeni ayingangenelani isebenza ndawonye. For an example, uma kuzokwakhiwa indlu, this is how that project was structured. Abantu abazokwakha islab, you'll find out ukuthi amalunga omphakathi ayebelonga kwiqembu elithile. Abantu abazokwakha i-wall plate, amalunga omphakathi abelonga kwenye i-political party. Abantu abazofaka i-roofing from the very same house ezokwakhiwa, they belong to another political, but these people bafunda ukusebenzisana ndawonye. That has brought ukubumbana ukuthula endaweni yakithi. So ngesikhathi kwenzeka ke lokho ke, we then started ngimncane to engage with different political parties. Sivumelana ukuthi lento sizoyenza kanjani. How are we then going to live umnotho la? So ke uma bebona abantu ngingaphambili nginegotiate, ngingazinegotiateli mina, but nginegotiatela bona. None of umuntu womndeni wami was part of the beneficiaries ekwakheni yonke lawo ma-wall plate. None, even myself, no one closer to me. Lokho kwa-inspirisha i-confidence kubantu ukuthi lo mfana lona ukukhulumela thina sonke. I want i-confidence not only of amalunga e-African National Congress, but for all political parties. Hey, let me tell you, Partner Ndau, a new political party emerged called the National Freedom Party, NFP.
Yes.
Yayingekho iqala yonke lento le.
Shit.
Uma iqala i-project iqalwa, there are two political parties that dominate in the area. Now a third one. Now we then need to then say, how are we then going to sit down and agree to say we accommodate them? They were accommodated. Kwakwazi ukusebenzeka.
Ubani uqhamuka nalawo ideas?
Siqhamuka nawo sonke thina esilanje njengamanje.
Okay.
Thina ke njengamanje as the African National Congress we are saying asiba accommodate. Laba bona because baphuma kubona bathi baphumile asibakhiphe eceleni. Kwathi sinika intuba lokho. Sangena because ithini sithi laba abazenze njani aba-accommodate laba bathi bona abanga accommodate laba be-NFP because lento lena ibizoletha ukuthula phakathi kwama-organization amabili sithi thina izoletha ukuthula kubo bonke abantu bakwaVundlela. So ke we grew up lapho ke saqhubeka ngesikhathi ngiwusihlalo ngapha we-Youth League, ngiwusihlalo ngapha we-Young Communist League.
Okay.
Now uma kuhleli i-District Executive Committee ye-South African Communist Party, ngiyahlala khona. Ngoba ngimina oleader amakomanisi amancane. Ngapha ngilida Young Lions.
Yo.
Zikathambo. So I was mina oyekade i-PYA because ngikhona kwi-YCL ngikhona nangapha. So ke lokho kwanginika a serious exposure yoku-understand how to analyze the tools of analysis using i-Marxism, because ngapha kwi-Communist Party siyayifunda into ye-Marxism, we learn how to analyze. So kuyo yonke into engiyenzayo ngiqale ngi-apply the tools of analysis. I analyze, ngidetach ama-feelings, bese ngithi yini ezokwazi ukuthatha ibeke abantu bakithi phambili, ngizidetach mina as a person. Now lokho ke kungilekelele kakhulu, that upbringing ingilekelelile politically yokuthi kube khona i-foundation eyakhekile ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi uma ngikhula within the structures ze-ANC ngingathi ngisekwi-learning curve, but sonke lesikhathi even today ngisafunda. Kodwa ukulida lezi inhlaka zonke lezi kungilekelele kakhulu. Sengithe uma sengifika kwi-REC ye-ANC sengikhethwa direct, ngiqale nga-appointwa kwi-ANC, nganikwa i-responsibility ukuthi I must coordinate umsunduzi as a sub-region. After that nganikwa i-responsibility ukuthi angibe yimina ozobhekelana ne-mobilization nama-campaigns e-ANC kuyona yonke region yethu.
Umobile wonyaka.
Now si-20 bamanje 2026 from 2016. 2016 local national government election, I was the head of immobilization. ANC. Now simuvake sibhekeke ku 2021. Sabe sekuba khona inkomfa yabe singikhetha ngaba uSekela Nobhala as the deputy regional secretary of the ANC Moses Mabhida. Ngaleso sikhathi bese ngade sengiqokiweke ngakwazi ukuthi ngiyomela i-ANC njengosekela meya.
Siselapho uyi-check Khabazela ithini into ngoba ke ngabuka kwamanye ama-by-election abekhona ngibuka i-SACP contesta i-ANC umiphi kuleyo nto iphatha kanjani because wena ngikubuka ukuthi lezo nhlangothi kuzona zombili kakhulu
La kuliqiniso lokuthi yinto engeyinhle lena.
Okay.
Because ngiyakholelwa ukuthi i-South African Communist Party it's the vanguard of the working class.
Okay.
Okwe-SACP kumele ngaso sonke isikhathi i-provide the tools of analysis and political consciousness kubo bonke abantu. Ikwazi ukuqinisekisa ukuthi it grooms and prepares abantu ukuthi babe aligned with the visions of the Freedom Charter. Bakwazi abantu ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi babe conscious ukuthi impilo it's not about them. But impilo it is about the people. So therefore they must always try to push for the struggle towards socialism. So uma kumele benze lokho kumele babheke ukuthi imaphi ama key sectors of power that need to be contested. For an example, they need to make sure ukuthi they then send strong communists ngaphakathi kwi-ANC. So therefore ezokwazi uku-influence ama-communists that decision athathwa yi-ANC abe bias towards the working class and the poor. So if detach themselves from that role, ifune ukuzo-contest, it really isibeka from an awkward position. Entweni yokuthi njengamanje ngizolida a campaign ye-African National Congress against a party eyakwazi ukuthi ingishape my political thinking. But at the end of the day, the ANC is the liberation movement. It must continue to liberate abantu bakithi. So ke kusibeka from a very awkward position entweni yokuthi kwenzakalani if consciously you believe that i-NDR it is a minimum project ebekiwe ukuthi one day we must go beyond i-national democratic revolution sizoku-achieve a national democratic society where there will be no man exploiting any other man.
Wethu manje siyahamba-ke singena-ke ubekiwe lapha uDeputy Mayor. Into yokuqala engikhala ngayo Deputy Mayor engicela mfethu ungilekelele kuyona ngiyafisa-ke le ungena ecathulweni. Sithatha nje ake ngenze uDeputy Mayor endaweni yaseMsunduzi uzothatha nje uMgungundlovu siya kule position okuyona kuneyindawo mfowethu one lapha phezulu bengiqala and sengilokhu ngiqondana nabantu ngiyajabula namhlanje ukuthi nginawe esihlalweni uma uzohamba lapha phezulu kuwe street ayi mfowethu akukhona eSouth Africa lapha in fact imina kumele ngiphathe ipassport lapha because akukhona eSouth Africa uma uzohamba angazi sasubiza ngoBack Street ngapho ngako Republicans la ikhandwa khona imoto ngangaze ngathethisa omunye nje ethatha amafutha ewachitha kanje bukhoma emgwaqeni. So lezi zinto ezinjalo nilwa kanjani nazo ake singene la manje kumasipala yini niyenzayo eMgungundlovu uguqula lesimo esisibonayo?
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Mtampu Ngosi ukuthi ngilithwele lethuba ukuthi ngicacisele.
Aya uyichaze mfethu uthi le ngisondezela nestudio
izakhamuzi
zakithi uvule nalapho
zazi ukuthi senzani.
Yeah.
Siqale i-program
okay
ethi kumele sithi we reclaim iPietermaritzburg to its former glory.
Okay.
Sithi konke okuhle okwakwaba khona ePietermaritzburg kumele sikubuyise.
Okay.
Now si-identify ke into ezimbalwa ezikhona esibuke ukuthi zibuyisela iPietermaritzburg emumva.
Okay.
Eyokuqala sithe kunezingane ezizalwa yimina nawe ezihleli emgaqweni esezinegama elisha.
Okay.
Esezibizwa ngokuthi yini? Zingamaphara. Yeah. Lezo ngane lezo zicontributile ekuqinisekiseni ukuthi idolobha liyaguga.
Okay.
Abasomabhizinisi bayalishiya idolobha.
Okay.
So ngesikhathi belishiya idolobha osomabhizinisi sebeyongena kuma malls kuthi kuvuleka ispace occupier webaphi abokufika.
Okay.
Now step number 1 la we must develop a program yokuthi siqiniseka kanjani ukuthi lezi ingane siyazi rehabilitate.
Okay.
Ngizobuyela kuyona. We then said that sekunabantu abaningi bokufika abalapha edolobheni. Let's develop a program.
Okay.
Ezokwazi ukungena door to door isitolo nesitolo. Sihamba ne-enforcement yethu yalapha edolobheni. Okokuqala sithi siqinisekisa kanjani ukuthi bonke abantu aba-occupy amabhizinisi edolobheni abantu abalegally ubani kumele akwazi ukuthi arane ibhizinisi ulethe investment engakanani edolobheni. Awukwazi ukuthi uzofika nje ukuthi uzogunda abantu kuthiwa urun ibhizinisi in town. Do you qualify to get i-business licensing uma wenza lokho? We've developed that program. Sase sithi sekubonakala sengathi le ndawo okhuluma ngayo isi-hijacked abantu bokufika. Masiya lapha zonke lezi zinto zi-ownwa ngama-South Africans. Not even a single house. E-ownwa a foreign national.
Lapha eMaritzburg.
eMaritzburg uma uzoqala nje ujomba uWest Street unyuka njalo le ndawo esenibiza ngokuthi iseSomalia.
Yebo iseSomalia manje.
Zonke leya mizi iownwa ama-South Africans. South Africans athatha imizi yabo ayinikezela ini abokufika. La sixabana khona nabo-ke yini sithini-ke i-area leyana it is zoned as a residential area. Ayikho zoned as a business area. Yingakho ke kwaba khona izidumedume la engaba umuntu omubi la ngabonakala ngihamba khona nemshini emkhulu ngibhidliza yonke le yanto le.
Benza ngizoqala ngitshele lapho ukuthi mina ukunothisa nje nanokwazi kakhulu ngikwaze uma uhamba no garage engazi ukuthi niyadweba ukhomba lapha hey
sibhidliza yonke sithi le ndlu kufanele iphele la le encroachment osuyenzile ungena kuma pavement wafaka insimbi ngiyayibhidliza siyibhidlizile futhi
akhona ku Facebook la
akhona wonke sabhidliza futhi sibuyisela isithunzi sendawo. Sasusa yonke into sase sibatshena ukuthi ke this is a residential area. Abantu abahlala kumele kube indawo yokuhlala leyo. Sase singena namaphoyisa. Sesingena no Department of Home Affairs. Singena no livestock iSAPS. Uma singena nabo ke sibe neoperation la sibophe khona abantu abevile ekhulwini more than 100 abantu esibathathile ababe illegally documented. So why someone on Home Affairs? Because uma ngiya mina noma kuya wena uzobona i-document wena bese uthi no it's a legal document. Kanti uma kufika umuntu aka Home Affairs uyakwazi ukusho lento lena ukuthi no. As Border Management Authority this is a fake documentation. Bese bayakwazi ukuthi lo muntu bamthathe bamfake ingakho samba nani ke nanamaphoyisa. Why siphatha ke u-stock theft? Ingoba sifice laphana kunamabhusha nenkomo esingazi bazithathaphi bese ke ziyakwazi ukuthi ziyakhathwa zifakwe emafrijini zisupplyeke indawo ezihlukahlukene. So u-stock theft usuyakwazi ukutrace ukuthi where was the permit uyithenge le nkomo because it's not licensed. Nabantu ke kunema-video amaningi sikhipha inyama sizithatha siyozidonate eLawn Park esizitholayo kuleya ndawo lana. It's a program esihamba nayo njengomkhandlu. Siyahlela ku Backstreet sifika kuma hardwares laphana sifika kuma workshops kugcwele abantu bokufika laphana sithi awukwazi ukuthi uwumqashi uqashe umuntu wokufika ozothwala usimende. Sithi uthini umthetho sisho suwumkhandlo semsunduzi sithi umthetho uthi ukwazi ukuqasha umuntu wokufika uma legally documented. 2 uma ezoprovider a scarce skill. Ukuthwala usimende nokuthwala amaplango walayisha etruck is not a scarce skill. So therefore bonke labantu laba siyacela ukuthi nibakhiphe. Bonke laba babe illegally documented sakubavalela emavenini. Siyaqhubeka ke ukuthi ke inkinga kabantu ngithi abasaboni mina phambili because sihamba phambili kwiprogram si-launch iprogram sabe khona sibabopha abantu bese sithumela ithimba lethu umsunduzi security personnel to monitor na-law enforcers ethu ukumonitor ukuthi kule stolo sikhipha abantu uma bebuya bona beumsunduzi law enforcement asuke ngasekho amakhamera bezokucheck i-compliance basekhona yini abantu baka business licensing bezo-check i-compliance yila ingasuke sengekho khona amakhamera but that program it is ongoing even njengamanje.
Manje khabazela mina iwari yami ngiyayizwa futhi ngiwabonile amavideo ingakho ngithi kumnandi ngilanda umuntu ofana nawe ukuthi at least ngeke ngabona ugijima lezi zinto egroundini but inkinga ithi inkinga ayipheli ngiworried lapho mina ukuthi lento esikhuluma ngayo usazofica akusele igama elithi kuseSomalia lapha kuseSomalia ngempela namanje basika drive imoto siye khona uma uhamba ku back street usazofica inkinga ezikhona ngiyavuma kuzo zonke izinto ukuthi anihleli niyasebenza kuzona kodwa lezi inkinga esikhuluma ngazo ngakube ngizofika engasekho ngisasa cha ngizoyifica zikhona yini ke niyenzayo Khabazela
sisenkantolo njengamanje where we've applied for expropriation.
Okay.
Because njengamanje sifuna ukwenza expropriation ukuze sithi lezimizi njengoba ilana it has contributed towards a decay of our city.
Okay.
So njengamanje we have applied for funding from the Department of Human Settlement for social housing. Okay. So therefore when we sithola permission ye expropriation because abanye babahlali lapha abahlali abanikazi bemizi asikwazi nokuba tracer asakwazi nokubathola uma sesibafuna yingakho manje siye enkantolo now ukuthi siyo applyela expropriation so asihleli ukuthi asenze lutho because isikhalo sabantu base Pietermaritzburg sisizwile if inkantolo is grant expropriation human settlement isinika funding business plans have been submitted plans ukuthi how are we planning ukuthi si upgrade that area yedolobha provided a decent social housing kubantu base Pietermaritzburg ama plans akhona have been submitted silinde nje ukuthi inkantolo ibe isivune kulesiphakamiso esisifakile
siyasuka ke lapha eSomalia siyahamba siye ezansi lapha eStreet ongasa understand noma uhamba emgwaqeni noma uhamba kuphi kunjani makunje ithini plan ke yakulelo sihlangothi lelo oliphithizela uma nike hambe kodwa deputy mayor ke sekeyibuza ukuthi nike hambe kulezi yandawo nibone lezi yankinga nithini ke ngaleyanto lapha
one into yokuqala sakhe indawo ekuthiwa is a holding bay uyabona erank yangakini elaphana emasukwane kunendawo erank laphana uyibonile
yes
leyo ndawo iaimed ukususa wonke amakhumbi lawa laphana ku back street shona street eyokupaka laphana as a holding bay isuka isiyolayisha umuntu ukuze engabikhona imoto ezigcwele la sibe sesihlala nabantu aba owner ama spares including Ugavenda's garage where city siya identify a spot where sizokwakha khona thina ezumsunduzi a warehouse bonke abantu bazokusuka beyokusebenzela khona ngoba city labantu bayazisebenza asifuni ukubulala ini umsebenzi wabo kodwa abakwenzayo ku wrong ukuthi basebenzele emgaqweni because amafutha netiyela nemvula kwakhe ipothole amafutha angena kwi drainage kuma sekunethi izulu iyablocka idolobha liflood so siya neplan yokubasusa siyobakhela a warehouse la bezosebenza khona
ungaqhubeka ngenze usathi uyiphendula uyihlanganise labantu okhuluma ngabo mawuthatha uback street uyabona lapho usuka ngako Republican ukaqhamuka phezulu erobotini lase Motor City wehla nawe ezantsi labo bantu abakhandela imoto emgwaqeni
ibona lebe ngikhuluma ngabo
but ibaphi Khabazela ngoba labantu sikhuluma ngabo abantu bokufika lapha uyazi ukuthi umuntu akamkhize mhlambe ngawumkhize ono ungazi ukuthi ungena kanjani umkhize ono phakathi uma usuka lapha phezulu uzoyophumeza sibazi ngisho amagama abo laba abakhandayo ukuthi obani nobani bani angikaze mhlambe mina onga understand kodwa umuntu oseMaritzburg uzongicorrect wrong akekho umuntu wakithi labantu abakhanda lapha emgwaqeni uzoyoshaya izandla
now ingakho thina sithi sizokwakhela bonke ama South Africans once wawakhela ama South Africans so therefore akusekho noyedwa umuntu ozobe sekhanda wonke umuntu othi ufuna ukulungiselwa imoto uqhunyelwe yisondo ufuna ukupheshelwa ini kuphume ini uyakuthatha lento ezisuke zishesha nje ekudinga ukuthi kuphume ibearing ufuna ukwenzelwa uyakuthatha uya kule ndawo that will be identified now uma isingeni law enforcement yethu
bisho
iklina kwasani akasekho umuntu njengamanje othi siyakuhlukunyezwa lathina sabase South Africa because at the end of the day kuba khona South Africa yedwa athi siyazamela ayikho indawo basinika yona ingakho sithi nansi indawo esinika yona wenza njani ke njengamanje ngoba kunabafowethu kunama hardwares kunemoto ezigcina sezipaka la kune park engapha ekuthiwa iseMadiba Mandela Park we are rehabilitating that one susa wonke ama truck lawa layishela abantu kuma hardwares siyowabeka khona ukuze kwazi ukuhamba kahle edolobheni umuntu uzosuka itruck lapha izokulayishela la ihamba ibuyo bakwi holding bay now kunendawo kwakuthiwa isematsheni senzani ngaleyo ndawo njengamanje So njengamanje ematsheni business plan have been submitted, we have received the funding, we are co-funding it, we are receiving from the Department of ITIA, nathi as umasipala with our council funding, we are co-funding yona. Ukuthi sithi let us revive indawo yasematsheni but ibe modernized but ingayishintshi original format yayo.
Okay.
Ngokuthi kube khona ama informal traders abuye ezokusebenza khona. Uma uhamba uthi uyofuna imbiza, uyazi ukuthi uzoyithola
indaba ngiyansele ngembiza sakhe.
Ufuna uzoyithola kini. But at the end of the day sibe sesithe i-business plan lena esiwa submitted nama plans that umasipala that has been approved is in no first floor no second floor where we are going to allocate with first floor lento esothine i-taxi rank. So therefore izoba is an open market with free stands abantu bezokudayisela khona but in a modernized format kodwa ingayishintshi original format yayo. Sikwenza lokho ukuthi i-history yendawo yasematsheni kumele sithi prevail it. Isaqhubeka futhi kuthiwa isematsheni. Kodwa sekwamatshe amasha.
Yazi ukuthi uyangisiza uyangiphendula ngoba ngeke ngafaka la ku status sakho WhatsApp ukuthi ngizobe nginawo. Kwathiwa nenze njani ngalezi ndawo esenikwazile ukungenelela ukuzibulala bese zizinda sabafowethu laba asebethola amagama ukuthi ba amaphara ukuthi ke nizenze ukuthi zenze into eright neqondile. So ngicela uyangiphendula ke kodwa kulokho engeke ngakubona.
Angene kulena ke ukuthi senzeni ngalabafowethu abaphara.
Yes, ngicela ungiphendule.
Siwumkhandlu wasemsunduzi sibize bonke abantu abadila with homeless people. Sathi nonke la uzani ngabahlanganisa sahlangana nabe City Hall. I chaired that meeting. Uma sesihlangene nabo savumelana ukuthi asakheni a new organization. Sibize igama sithi Pietermaritzburg Homeless Network. Sayiqamba igama. Leo Homeless Network is an umbrella of wonke ama NGOs akhona ePietermaritzburg adila with homeless people. Ngathi wena NGO number 1 ngiye ngikubone uphakela abantu ukudla ngomsombuluko. Bathi yes. Wena NGO number 2 yabaphakela nawe kanjalo. Sesiyadividelana manje ke. Senizobaphakela wena ngomsombuluko, wena ngolesibili, wena ngolesithathu, nizokwabela up until Friday. Kodwa ke ngumkhandlu ngiyanikela ngebuilding. It's a 2-story building. Salikhipha siwumsunduzi ibuilding lu 2-story. Sangakhipha ngisho imali yokuthi sikhiphe outsource abasebenzi bethu on voluntary basis bafike balungisa in terms of plumbing abaka water bafika abantu baka sanitation baqinisekisa ukuthi ablution facilities ayalungiswa amashawa baka water bafika abantu baka gesi bacheck baqinisekisa ukuthi ugesi uya comply because asifuna ukuthatha ingane sizofika endaweni enga comply. Sasithi NGOs let us sign an MOU.
Ikuphi le building?
Ikhona eMsunduzi. Now sizokuhamba nje uyibona. Sase sibanike sasathi ke njengamanje bonke abantu abazimisele ukuthi ba rehabilitate abeze ba volunteer bezongena la ukuze sikwazi ukuthi siba reunite nabanye abathandiweyo. Siqalile ngamantombazana ilidwa inkunzi isematholeni.
Inkunzi bethu ngicela ngiyaxolisa. Inkunzi isematholeni la elokushini besiqeda ukukhuluma ngayo ngisanda kwenza ipost ethi I know ukuthi there is ilokhuzana ekhona elekelela efethu amajita bekuyihunga ayiyekile ihunga abantu ababheme ayazi bese kunomqondo wangicela iqiniso nje njengomjita lokushini uyazi bafuna ukushayela umsebenzi omncane uyaphuma uqalaze labafethu ababizwa ngamaphara lalela usuyalicinga manje besikhuluma ngalethu ukuthi sithi uyalicinga bengifisa ungidlulisele nje isincomo kubafethu ukuthi amagalelo enkunzi sematholeni ayabonakala endaweni yaseMpopomeni bafike balenza ushintsho. Ngathi umuntu obizwa ngephara kule area manje sebebaliwe kakhulu nabo futhi bayabona ukuthi baphelelwe indawo ukudlulisele leso sincomo mfowethu.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ke mfowethu ke ngoba sengingamention ngingathanda umention amagama abantu ama NGOs kodwa ngilimentionile ukuthi siqala besifazane last year imino ekade hamba siyobakhipha sithi wa reuniting them with their loved ones. Inkunzi balande from the street. Yabafaka in a shelter. Yathi rehabilitate them. Yabafaka ku training program. After that yaba tracer into yokuthi where are their families. Safika sathi reunite them with their families. Sibakhiphile endaweni yaka Ward 4 kwaShange. I was there. Siyoba reunite with their families. Even abazali babo bezobonga omunye umzali ethi sengikwazi nokumnika imoto yami ahambe eyongenzela igrosa ngifuna ukubonga. So those are the programs esiwenzile inkinga yemfana omdala. Hey bese baningi kakhulu labantu lokho esikwenzayo akubonakali ukuthi kukhona
kuyabonakala manje
esizenzayo entweni yokuthi sibakhiphe kulento ebikhona ngoba into esiyidingayo ukuthi siqinisekisa ukho umgudu okulahla umuntu because today ulenzile iphutha wangena ema-drugsini wenza ngani kodwa ke sithe uma singena kule program ngathola ama-warning amaningi mina as a person kwathiwa mfana wami you are playing in the wrong territory. I said that's my calling. I will continue. Angikwazi ukuyekela indawo yakithi ife. Ngaqhubeka namanje sizoqhubeka futhi sizirehabilitate ingane. Okunye kokubona kungathi akwenzeka emultiplier labantu laba ingoba kunabantu ababenefitayo ngabo. So if bebaningi edolobheni ibona bakwazi ukuqhubeka bashushumbisa abakushushumbhisayo besebenzisa bona. The more bengabukhona edolobheni kukhona uhlobo lebhizinisi olunjani olufayo but alife lo hlobo lebhizinisi sisave ikusasa lentsha yakithi. So umsunduzi ke ama program anawo ukukhuluma ukuthi senzani ukubuyisa isithunzi somuntu omnyama. Now songena kuma project umusa singene kuona.
Wethu okunye ngifuna ukucheck mhlamba ungilekelele nakule platform yethu futhi kuzosilekelela because eyintweni eziningi ongibalela zona njengamanje azifiki kuthini ngakho ukuthi niyadinga ukuthi sibe khona thina sikwazi ukuthatha izinto siyisabalalise each and every corner zivele but ke ukufast forward ngiyekuthenini na umsunduzi unegama nje umsunduzi uyabheda nanoma yini mawungasije ngibanye ngibhala ukuthi ayikho ebheda nje umsunduzi uzobathola abantu abazongivumela kuleyo nto enjalo mawubheka yini ekhanda igama lomsunduzi ukuthi libe libi and ungathini mawungakhuluma ngakho mhlawumbe yini esikayi understand ngegama lomsunduzi.
Umsunduzi is an economic hub yomgungundlovu.
All right.
Umnotho womgungundlovu wonke ucentralized eMsunduzi.
True.
Bonke abantu they go for ama economic activities kephi eMsunduzi.
Okay.
So oclever bonke basemgungundlovu uzobathola kephi eMsunduzi.
Sure.
So bezosuka bakhona basuka la kuwena elokishini behlele eMsunduzi babuye bezolala le lokishini.
Sure.
So yonke ke into igcina isiflada eMsunduzi. But on top of that khumbula ukuthi uMsunduzi is an administrative capital. Uyi capital city yaKwaZulu Natal. Wonke ama provincial government department atholakala kephi eMsunduzi. Wonke umuntu ama economic activities nempilo engcono lapha eMgungundlovu usuke ezoyithola kephi eMsunduzi. But on top of that uMsunduzi uphinde ke ube ngelinye lamadolobha amadala una 187 years is turning 188 uPietermaritzburg since waqanjwa after Piet Retief noGert Maritz on 188 this year. Umsunduzi lokho kukodwa kuzokutshela ukuthi nengqalasizinda yedolobha ikhulile because linama colonial buildings amaningi where awukwazi ukuthi uwashintshe ezintweni eziningi. So ke lokho ke kube nomthelela wokuthi if bonke abantu sebefladile khona edolobheni while infrastructure eyayikhona yayakhelwe to cater for few but now you've got more than what infrastructure yayakhelwe to cater for bona. Ingakho wena again infrastructure get to collapse bese affecta abantu bese bethu abantu yini ongayisho ngomsunduzi. But khona kunjalo we still pride ourselves with uhlobo lamanzi esiwaprovidayo.
But asikwazi futhi kuyibalekela deputy mayor indaba yasemsunduzi ukuthi mawuhamba edolobheni linuka phuhlu kunemigwaqo khona la uvele kushiswa khona umlilo umuntu avela layithe nje umlilo la omunye uyachama kuneyindawo engahambeki kuzona ungahamba whether njengoba ngibala on street uyagudla lapha ngani vele kuchanyelwe ilokhuzana khona ngisho indawo engathi itavern ngako downtown bani lapho yonke lo lokhuzana nenzani ngalokho yini enikwenzayo eMsunduzi ukulungisa lesi
one into yokuqala
libolile qha ithawe liyanuka kuleli site enkuluma ngalo
okukhulumayo kuyinselelo esibhekene nayo sonke.
Okay.
Yokuqala kumele siqale sirane ama awareness campaign.
Okay.
Yokuthi izakhamuzi zethu ake zibuyelwe lento yokuthanda idolobha labo. Ake sibe patriotic.
Okay.
Kuningi umkhandlu okwenzayo nongakwenza. But okunye kudinga wena nemfundiso yakho yasekhaya yokuthi anikwazi uvela uphume nje uhambe edolobheni usuyaphuma uyachama noma yikephi. Yes, abantu sebebaningi edolobheni. Ama public ablution facilities asekhona edolobheni namanje. Downtown akhona ama-toilet ukuthi abantu bangakwazi ukuhambe bozikhulula. Abakwenzi lokho abantu. Abantu baba-opta ukungena ey'ndongeni benze lokho. So nako lento yokuthi sidinga ukufundisa abantu. Into esiyenzayo sirana ama-campaign yokuthi sacela kubantu bakithi babuyele entweni yokuthi nazi indawo kumele bazisebenzise for abolition facilities zikhona. Sibuyisa lento edolobheni ukufaka ama-signage because besithi mhlambe abantu benze lokho abakwenza ngoba basabona ukuthi lapha ama-toilet. Hence sifaka i-signage yokukhomba ukuthi public toilets nanka lenga khona siyawabhala manje ngembala eyelo ecacisayo ukuthi alaphi ama-toilet. Into esiyenzayo leyo ukuthi at least uma idolobha sesizodemarcate silihlukanise ngokwezigaba ukuthi from downtown nanka ama-toilet akhona la part nendawo nanka ama-abolition facilities akhona. Uma ukhuluma ngo-downtown sifake ama-abolition facilities awu-3 senzela ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuqinisekisa in each and every taxi rank sifake ama-abolition facilities nakhona ukuze abantu mabephuma beyongena le rank baye toilet. So ukuthi abantu bakithi sikwenzile esikwenzayo but asifuni ukuqamba amanga sithi lokho kushoyo asikwazi asikuboni yini futhi.
Ukhabazela mina ungangiphiza nima ngithi isabuyela back entweni esiqale ngayo ukuthi idolobha lingcole kanje lingcolwe abantu abangayihloniphi izwe lethu abangene ngokungemthetho ngoba ngisho ungafica endaweni abahlala kuzona kuwona nomgwaqo bengitshela kuona la ekhandwa khona imoto ufika behlala bewu36 endlini eyodwa ufika nanombani wenza noma kanjani ngoba uma sinalihlunga leli dolobha esikhuluma ngalo la eligcwele khona abantu bakithi uyalibona ukuthi ukhona umuntu ocabangayo ukuthi this is my town even ngihamba endaweni ngiyazi ukuthi indawo egcwele abantu bangakithi ngithi mina ngakube ngiya-exaggerate mhlawumbe mangayibeka ekuthenini banawo umthelela nalabo bantu ngoba naleyo meeting mawuyibiza abantu abawufika kuyona bezolalela izinto befunde lezi zinto ezibhaliwe ithina abantu bendawo abantu bokufika basingcolisela idolobha laseMaritzburg ungayiphikisa leyo nkolo.
Angeke ngiphikise lokho kodwa engingakusho ukuthi abantu bakithi ibona abanikezele ngemizi yabo nangezindlu zabo kwabo kufika. Now if lapha kini it's a private property lapha kini. Uthatha abantu bokufika abawu30 uthi abalale lapha kini. This is a private property. Istate sigcina kephi la ngaphandle. Kodwa uma usukwenzeka la ngaphakathi sekudila nawe. So abantu bakithi ngokuthanda imali bagcine sebe compromise nge-well-being yedolobha labo balinikezela abokufika ukuthi benze noma kanjani. Now ukuba kuhlala umuntu oyedwa noma kuhlala ifamily in one house thola ukuthi in one house lokho kushoyo kuliqiniso but ubani onikezele labo bantu ilona wala eSouth Africa because ama-foreigners eSouth Africa our own in properties. Ama-foreigners eSouth Africa aqashe kulaphi kwabalapha eSouth Africa. So into esidingayo sidinga ukubambisana izakhamuzi nohulumeni.
Ngizokhuluma lokho ngicela manje kule clip encane le ngizoyikhatha la ungihlanganisele lezi inhlaka zombili ukuthi uma abantu bebengenza kanje nathi umkhandlu singenza kanje singafinyelela la esifuna kuya khona.
Iqiniso lelo uma ngase thina siwuhulumeni siqinisekise ukuthi we enforce our bylaws. So enforce singabi nendaba ukuthi ubani bese siqinisekise abantu baSouth Africa babuyela unembeza wabo baba patriotic bayalithanda izwe labo nedolobha labo. iPietermaritzburg will reclaim its former glory.
Wethu yamanje siyangena iziphi izinto othi mawuhleli phansi noma usuhamba ethawini because le podcast ngiyithandela lezi zinto ukuthi yazi ukuhlala nami ngizithi yakwenziwa lutho mhlambe uzongibonisa into engizoyibona njengamanje. Iziphi izinto othi mawuhamba eMgungundlovu osho ukuthi siwumsunduzi siwuphethe sikwazile uku-achieve ngama-projects esiphezulu kwawo. Imaphi ama-projects akhona eniwenzile emsunduzi ozothi mangikhumbuza ngawo ngithi hayibo kanti ngempela uqinisile?
Yabona ngizowaqala ngokuhlukahlukana wonke. Ngizosummarize ngenxa
isikhathi ke phela.
Now emsunduzi asiqale nje ngeproject yamanzi. Sithe uma sibuka emsunduzi ukuthi there are new developments ezayo. Your Hesket development, your Capital City development eyenzeke golf course la kune zindlu khona in a golf course, the beautiful apartments in a golf course. Hesket where there are beautiful apartments enziwe. Sitheke siwumsunduzi labo bantu bazodinga amanzi. When new shopping malls akhiwa sitheke labo bantu bazokwenza bayodinga amanzi. We have to go and make sure ukuthi senze njani sakha new reservoirs. Now from 2021
yeah
singene office sesakhe ama reservoirs azokwazi ukuthi afeed these communities, so therefore these projects ingakho kubona sengathi there are so many malls akhiwayo eMsunduzi ingoba in terms of supply yamanzi
okay
it's sufficient.
Wait.
Now sibe sesakha eMsunduzi, now you go there usakhe iCopsville reservoir.
Okay,
It's a reservoir. It's a 20 megaliter reservoir, Copsville reservoir, that is feeding these developments. At the same time, the community wasezinketheni okade ungakaze ube namanzi obuphila ngama water tankers, i-reticulation has been completed. So therefore, abantu basezinketheni, abantu baseswapo sebezokwenza njani manje bathola amanzi. There's no need of i-water tank.
okay.
Address issue yama water tankers, reduce higher
Mhlambe
tankers.
kulaba abangakawathola amanzi ungabathembisa ukuthi mhlambe iziphi indawo esa-strugglisha ngamanzi obathembisa ukuthi kunama projects amanzi abazowathola ngekudala.
Kulezi ndawo lezi ezakhelene nedolobha zonkana, I can safely say that zonke amanzi seziyawathola.
Nice.
Now sesizophumela kulezi ke as outside of idolobha, your Greater Edendale and iLandskop. Abantu basencwadi. Incwadi is part of uMsunduzi. We've built a reservoir, a 20 megaliter reservoir eSandi. La uma unyuka nje eSkopo iseSanti kuna 20 megaliter reservoir, sifaka i-bulk pipeline esuka njengamanje ebheke encwadi. Today I can go with you, we have completed 12 kilometer of laying down the pipe towards incwadi.
Okay.
Sikhuluma kuyimanje siphuma sihambe siyoyibona uzoyibona. It is a 24 million rand project of laying the pipe. I-reservoir completed iphelile. We've done pressure testing, alivuza alinalutho. 12 kilometers sesiwufakile.
Yo.
I went to Incwadi. We've drilled boreholes Incwadi to resuscitate water project yakhona. We've drilled boreholes. We are pumping amanzi ayongena straight. We purify them. Angene straight kuma reservoirs. Baphuma abantu bathole amanzi empompini. There's no need of sending a water tanker there. Abantu bathola amanzi from the groundwater. Aye kuma reservoirs agravitate bawathola amanzi. Coming towards area yakavulindlela.
Okay.
Njengamanje we've drilled boreholes.
Okay.
A number of boreholes have been vandalized. Uma vandalized ama boreholes, the uma siqeda ukumba iborehole, siqeda sayiphampa amanzi aphampa sawaphonsa kwi reservoir, savuka ngakusasa, transformer has been taken. Ask myself, who can steal a transformer? Because a transformer into enkulu elephezulu kwipole.
Yes,
you need a bucket truck. You can't just steal it. Uma ngibuza umphakathi wonke uthi awazi, awubonanga. I then said that, but this project izosiza impilo zenu. If ningayigadi le ngqalasizinda izokwenza njani? Izofa. Safaka ama solar panels on the boreholes esiwafakile. Sathi siyabuya ama solar panels awasekho. Umphakathi futhi unjani lapho? Awubonanga. But those were the interventions ebesiwenza in terms of addressing the water challenges in the area of KwaVulindlela. But sonke ke njengamanje sesibhenke kule big project yakwaVulindlela ehlanganisa umngeni kanye nani noVulindlela lene yalonjwa upresident. I can safely say today ukuthi i-reservoir, the command reservoir isiphelile njengamanje. Yakhiwe, we are ready entweni yokuthi kufakwe amanzi khona. It's going to boost the amount of water aya KwaVulindlela, because KwaVulindlela ikhona infrastructure, but the population has grown. If I can summarize in few seconds, what is the cause ye problem KwaVulindlela? I-cause yakwaVulindlela yokuthi i-project yakhiwa ngonyaka ka-1996 to cater for only 10,000. Namhlanje i-population yakwaVulindlela awu-11 KwaVulindlela. I-ward eMsunduzi yakhiwa u-9,200. Ukhuluma abantu abarejistile from u-IEC ukwakha iward. Now if nama-ward awu-11 KwaVulindlela namhlanje, i-population yayakhelo to cater for abantu abawu-10,000. Ngithi iward iyodwa manje it's 9,200 ukuyakha. Wothi 9,200 times 11, then uzozithola i-population singakanani?
Even ungayanga lapho lo 9,000 wodwa abantu abarejistile ma kungavela abangarejistile.
So uyabona ukuthi i-project yona ischeme njengamanje has collapsed simply because abantu babuyile. Lokho kukodwa kubangwe yini? Uzwile ngithe uma ngiqala ngitheni? Ngithe kube khona iproject eyabakhona eyaletha ukuthula endaweni yakwaVukindlela. Abantu ababefudukile beye emadolobheni emalokishini bebalekile babuyele back emanxiweni akubo. Simply because of what? There is development happening at kwaVukindlela. There are tar roads kwaVukindlela. There is tap water kwaVukindlela. Babuya bonke abantu emadolobheni. Ingakho ke namhlanje unendawo ebizwa ukuthi se-Handle Dam. Kwakulihlathi lasemngeni lapha. Namhlanje the big mansions akhiwe khona. Abantu balapha, abantu bakaVukindlela ababekade bebalekile ngesikhathi sodlame belaphi. Ngesikhathi se7 days war babaleka abantu namhlanje babuyele bonke abantu emanxiweni akubo kaShange. Abantu bile bonke emanxiweni akuwe eSkopo ababebalekile because of peace eyenzakalile and development elethwe uhulumeni ohola uAfrican National Congress endaweni yakaVukindlela. Lokho kanti ukubuya kwabantu sekuzokhongesta ischeme. Namhlanje hamba uye esindaweni yaseSkopo awasekho amasimu. Endaweni okuyisemasimini ngibhula khona imbiba ngikhula awasekho konke lo masimu sekwama mansion akhiwe abantu. Lokho kukodwa kwaba nomthelela ukwenza schemes sibe congested. But let me fast forward ngibuyele ngenzansi ngehle. Yini engizigqaja ngayo? Sakhe substation. A new substation, Eastwood substation yagesi. A substation ethe uma kuza
thinta la uncane khona. Yabona uma usumthinte ngezinto abazenzile akasathinte usengikhohlela ukuthi ngikhona ya.
Uma kuza ku development sithi kumele kube khona i-energy ezokwazi ukuthi sustain abantu. There are new apartments and gated communities akhiwayo ama-complexes in Pietermaritzburg. So we had ukuthi sithi dealing into ye Nodale substation from Eastwood substation. So therefore the industrial areas ezoba ne-substation that feeds them ukuze ungawuphazamisi umnotho. Because uma uzothi substation ifeeder ama-communities and industrial areas iyodwa igcina isicongested. So you dealing and you created one. We've built new six new mini substations that dealing communities. You go to Sweetwaters. We've built a new substation yabo abantu base Sweetwaters. You go to KwaMpumuza. We've built a substation kuMokhom Road. You go to Eastwood, Beacon Hill, we've built a substation. You go to a Hayfield, we've built a substation. Now, that's electricity projects. Eswenzile sakama substation. So therefore, communities of a stable grid because we wanted not to contribute entweni yokuthi umnotho wedolobho yakhula ngokuthi ama-investors can come and invest because there's stable grid. It will be difficult ukuzo-investor if there is no stable grid. Sibe ingxenye ye-big project elethwe uhulumeni Henriette Venus project where kususwa ugesi Escort uzonqamula khona la ngakini udlulele endaweni yakithi siyofaka kwi substation ese kaward 18 eMsunduzi. That one thiwa ke iseTonville lo ndawo le. La sifike kwafakwa khona that substation that evikela ugesi wonke uzohlala khona omkhulu ugesi. We talk about 32 kV lines akade eza khona. Let's come to road network. Road network. Now uma uphuma wena usuza lakini either uphuma ngo Roberts Road uzonyuka uzongena ngase Clarendon, we've resurfaced the entire road because that road ubungasakwazi ukuthi udrive. Ngifuna ukufundisa abantu ngibacacisele ukuthi sisuke senze njani. Now abantu bakithi baphatheka kabi uma bebona umgaqo sukumba lento esibiza ngemilling. See umgaqo uma ukhula kumele umgaqo uze umaintain. Uma usakhula umncane uhamba wawubona ethiwa utalakwa ngithi yini utalakwa ile nto engabathi banga amafushane iba oil. Once leyo nto yaphela emgaqweni lowo mgaqo usuke usureacha i-lifespan yawo. Ayisekho i-oil sealing kuyona because amanzi kumele angathi makunetha ahlale emgaqweni kumele agingqike eyongena kuma water drainages. Once waqala wabona ama crocodile cracks emgaqweni asezothi amanzi uma linetha angene khona bese kufika ilanga kushise kwenzeke evaporation bese kudaleka ipothole. So ke umgaqo to prolong a lifespan ngoba umgaqo unama layers amaningi ngaphansi lawa ngamela za damageke because it will be very expensive to fix. Kumele uthi the top part you take it uthi recondition it ubuye uthi relay it. So ke senze lento ekuthiwa i-milling and resurfacing yemigaqo eminingi edolobheni eMaritzburg. Now uRoberts Road le ngikhuluma ngawo unyuka ngawo ngoTonton Road uyophuma phezulu senze the very same thing. Instead of patching potholes because it was expensive, upatch pothole namhlanje la iqhumela ngakusasa uzoyiphesha la iqhumela, we had to do the whole milling and resurfacing. You go to Victoria Road, senze the very same thing laphana because that's one area that we can then say that we are working very hard, working with business community. Kumele sibathule isigqoko soma business park Victoria Road. But we can't allow eMaritzburg ingcole phambi kwethu. Savumelana nabo sathi wonke umuntu aka adopt sport esingaphambi kwakhe.
Yeah.
Wonke umuntu adopt sport, uyenza sure ukuthi sport sakhe uyasicleana. Savumelana ukuthi wonke umuntu akathi repaint ibusiness lakhe. Kona lizobukeka kahle, senze into ekuthiwa i-artistic appearance. Sase siqiniseka nathi ukuthi siba resurfacela wonke umgaqo Victoria Road from the bottom till the top has been resurfaced wonke. Senze millings awu resurface. Wonke imigaqo et cut across commercial lobizwa ngoChilford Battle 2.
Yeah.
So resurfacela wonke from showground uyokuphuma le enzansi ubheke emathuneni has been resurfaced umgaqo.
Yes,
because we are trying to address the issue of potholes within idolobha.
Okay.
But let's go outside of idolobha. Kavundlela asawakho gravel road, sesakho concrete road.
Hayibo.
Because sithe ukwakha gravel road uma selinetha futhi izulu yonke lonto get to be washed away. We then said thina namakhansela asihlale phansi sivumelaneni, you identify the busy road ekufanele siqale ngawo, we give you 300 meters this financial year.
Okay.
Next financial year we continue from that 300 meters with another 300 meters seku 600 meters. Next financial year seku 1200. So ke imigaqo le ama access road ebusy igcina ingabile yikilometer. Ugcina uthi kulonyaka mhlawumbe u300 meters wakhe 300 meters, next financial year usowakho omunye 300 meters, next financial year by the time iphele term of office ka 5 years wakhe imigaqo ewukhonkolo ezolasta i-term of office nabalandelayo emva kwakho boyificise khona. Sikwenzile lokho kavundlela. Ngikhuluma ngokuthi each and every ward, hayi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngeward eyodwa. Let's go to Edendale. Sine big project ethu kwaKhalanyoni project where we are then saying sifuna ukuprovide sanitation kubantu base Edendale. Khumbula Edendale bingenayo sanitation, bekusenziswa ama septic tank. eKhalanyoni project isuke esigodini, it put a pipeline, sewer pipeline ehamba straight iyo connector eDavel Outfalls where community of Edendale now they can easily connect through a sewer line with flashing toilets, asekudingo sokuthi ube nani ne septic tank. uDambuza it's known of mud houses. Senzeni si umasipala. We then said that bonke labantu balana bahlala emzini yomastende. Angazi noma uzwa.
Ngizwa kahle.
Kodwa iphinde ngichazele kahle. iDambuza the reason abantu bakhe ngodaka imajority ngoba umhlaba abawu-own. Umhlaba u-owner womastende. Bona bakhile bese erenta. Uyazakhela indlu kodwa urentela istende ngoba kuwona wakho umhlaba. Senzeni ke siwumkhandlu sibathengelile bonke. We bought that land.
Nithengele ba?
Sithengela abantu abahlala kuwona.
Okay.
Ukuthi ke manje usunani, usunobunikazi balomhlaba.
Okay.
Usune title deed. We've bought the land, we've issued title deeds. Umuntu usenani manje usenobunikazi bomhlaba. Sesiyaqala sawu-develop. Awuboni kuna develop engake eDambuza manje. Hamba ubheke uDambuza Road. It's turned upside down. Siyawulungisa wonke. Hamba ubheke eDambuza. Kuyimanje angikhulumi ngento engekho. uDambuza noSnathing noPata noAzalia sifake isiwa la.
Fukani badoda.
Isiwa la.
Yeah.
La abantu bakithi sibanika a decent sanitation.
Yeah.
Now, ayithi songibeli lomgodi sithi sikufakela a sewer line sonke abantu. Lama project that has been completed amanye aku 90% complete. We go to endaweni yase France. Sanza a sewer line kuyimanje. Siyo connecta bona. Hamba ke njengamanje uya eDavel Outfall. La kunemapayipi amakhulu athatha yonke indle eMaritzburg ayiwelisele currently lawo mapayipi ayashintshwa wonke. The project is 90% complete, and I'm not talking about a 20 million rand project. I'm talking about an 80 million rand project. Eyenziwa wona wonke umuntu waseMaritzburg because ukuvuza kwalawa mapayipi collapse athatha yonke indla ifake kuDuze River. bese amanzi eba-contaminated ayongcolisa iNanda Dam, ifida iTheku, kufa abantu baseThekwini bonke. Hence bekubalekile ukuthi sithi prioritize into ye-sanitation. Currently besinama spillages angena eMsunduzi. Uyazi kade mangaki? Akade major spillages angcolisa. Sanitation pipes aqhumile ipaphula ezingena they were 27. Namhlanje I can safely say we've addressed 20. We're left with 7. And we are working hard. Entweni yokuthi lo 7 sizo addressa nawo comes next to the marathon iyogijima kamnandi emfuleni yethu singenayo ingxaki. I've addressed issues of sanitation, ngakhuluma ngemigaqo, kodwa sengifuna ukungena ngemigaqo ke semalokishini njengamanje. Ngithinte idindeni kuphela. Angakutsheni, angikhuluma ngeDambuza, angakutsheni ngeCaluza ukuthi sakhe how many concrete road, how many roads are surfaced. Angakutsheni ngo-Old Edendale Road. Old Edendale Road usuka le eCrossing uhambe ngaphakathi unqamule ngaseDusail uhambe engathi eAshdown. It has been resurfaced. It has been re-expanded. We have created lanes for walkways. We have created cyclist lanes. Now you go towards Ashdown. How many roads that we have resurfaced? Ashdown. Let me go to Northdale. Now let's go and Northdale. Ngikutshela ukuthi senzeni ukuze abantu bazi ukuthi there is umsebenzi owenziwayo. You go to Townbush. Hamba ubheka uTownbush Road ozokususa straight kuChatterton Road. Uhambe nawo ubheke eCascade, udlule ngase Grace Hospital, uyokufika. That whole road has been resurfaced. Let's go to Ashburton. Same thing. Ashburton, we have done milling and resurface of road. Uma uya Ashburton, when Ashburton isuka from Ashburton TLC izongena ngaphansi komsunduzi, that road yayingekho yonke imigaqo. Kwakhona ekuthiwa chip and spray. Because khumbula ukuthi Ashburton, it was an agricultural zoning area. Uyahlala uyakwazi ukutshala nje lana isemaplazini semakhaya kodwa la asedolobheni. Now there is no proper road network, there is no proper drainages, there was nothing. Imigaqo sifake ama proper drainage system, sakhe imigaqo soqala phansi umgaqo safaka 3 layers of the road from the road bed phezulu, proper drainages, papuli zihambe ziyokufaka towards Lower Mpushini River. All of that has been done, and the resident of Pietermaritzburg of Ashburton, lo engikushoyo ayakwazi. Well, towards informal settlement now. Pass Eastwood, hambe Madiba. How many houses eswakhile eMadiba? Giving the
lama projects wazi kanjani ngekhadi ungawaphathele nephepha nje lokhu wahlahla kanje wahlahla wonke.
Angithi ngento engisebenza ngayo. Ngiusihlalo weportfolio yakwa infrastructure.
Yahle uproducer wami la indlela usulokho ihlahla ngazi ukuthi nje ngifike ngiwell prepared ngifuna abangizwe kahle.
Angithi iMaritzburg ngiyayazi. Ngifaka ukuthi uma ngisuka ngapha ngikwelisela kwenye indawo ukuthi sengikwele laphi manje bese ngithi la senzeni. Now abo manje sengisezindlu.
Indlela osemoyeni ngazi ukuthi kuthiwe anenzi lutho ngithi uma ngabhala ipost ukuthi abaphume laba eMsunduzi ANC awenzi lutho manje ngazi ukuthi ngikuphampe kanjalo ya uqhubeke.
Ngichaza ukuthi abantu abahambe baye laphana eMadiba beyokubheka ukuthi how many housing projects eswakhile. Bahambe bayobona abantu ukuthi there is iwolo eliphume unumber 2 in the Republic of South Africa in terms of the best constructed hall in the Republic of South Africa. Lilaphana eMadiba hall ngaphansi kuka Councillor uSox. Sakhe izindlu laphana where abantu kade behleli from izindlu zodaka. Sikwakhela ukhona la sibhidlize indlu yodaka wakhelwe indlu yakho khona la uthola ubunikazi lana. At the same time uthole proper sanitation, uphinde uthole a proper road that has been constructed. Ama projects lawo engithi nqampu esiwenzile, ngikhulume ngezindlu, ngakhuluma ngemigaqo, ngakhuluma ngamanzi, ngakhuluma ngogesi in terms of project esikwazile. Now ke sesingena ebaleni lezemidlalo. Hamba lapha eSweetwaters. Sakhile ibala lezemidlalo eSweetwaters elalikade selivandalize salilungisa. Sengibuya kuninaka amaciko njengamanje. Currently we are revamping iWinston
Churchill. Ayizwile leyo ndaba ngizwe eThekwini.
Now we are revamping iWinston Churchill. Uma siqeda ukuyirevampa so yirename futhi.
Okay.
But after say rename sizokwenza i-consultation nani nabantu bamaciko ukuthi who was Winston Churchill, why must we continue having Winston Churchill Theatre in Pietermaritzburg while unabantu bakithi abacontributile kakhulu kwezamaciko. So uma iqedwa ukurevamp izokuvulwa yokumele rename but a consultation sizoyenza through nina abantu bamaciko ukuze nisitshene ukuthi
ngizwele bathi sekuzobe siyabonga ngampungose lokho uzana yini le sekuyisiyabonga ngampungose ngiyayiqamba mina ngiyadala.
So ngenzela ukuthi nje kubonakala ukuthi we don't touch base only sikhulumisana nabo bonke abantu abahlukahlukene. Now we pride ourselves with the hate library.
Ukuphula ulimi uzungishape wangisa kwenye indawo because nhlezi ngisho ukuthi Mnandlani podcast ukuthi izenzakalela yona ukuthi ifuna ukuyaphi. So kahle hle wena ezibhlungu zithi ngiyacela kwi-schedule yakhe tight so ngena manje sothi uqhubeka kancane kodwa ngizocela kwi-schedule yakhe tight cause manje le isiyasilekelela into engizoyenza kubalandeli nababukeli bale podcast ngizoshare ukuthi I have you so that sibe nento ecishifane nama questions azoqhamuka kubalaleli bethu namhlanje ngcono besizwe isite lakho this time around so banosuku futhi futhi ngisazobuya kathathu like ukhona namhlanje okwesibili uzobusukhona to answer ama questions aza direct kuwena esobe siwafunda nje ukuthi usibanibani uthi endaweni ukuthi and then u respond kuona esithathu uzobuya ke ngokwenhlangano yakho ukusugqoka iskipa sakho sekikunika ithuba lokukankasa but so ufana namhlanje usichazela ngezinto zama projects akho siyahamba ke iBayseed Library okuyona nje manje enye indawo ngonyaka 2007 esayithatha sanendawo yokwenza ipoetry namhlanje masikhuluma so number 2 ngepoetry session enkulu iKZN yonke usungaqhubeka nawo
siyajabula ngithi ngifuna ukukubikela lokho wavele wabikela mina
wait
ukuthi these are things that pride ourselves
nayo
as i-library esinayo nohlobo labasebenzi esinabo e-library yethu uqinisekisa ukuthi they do outreach program akwazi uku-identify a hidden talent babuye balinikeze an opportunity bese abantu bekwazi ukuthi baphile ngayo and uphinde ukwazi ukubheka ama-libraries ethu outside of iPietermaritzburg under iBayseed. They are very functional. Unendawo yakithi eScope angazocabanga ukuthi there will be a library but today you've got 2 libraries KwaMafunze and Elandscope library. All those libraries senzela ukuqinisekisa into yemfundo ukuthi ibalekile winike ingane opportunity ukuthi ama resources and opportunities okufunda abeseduze kwabo. It's Bayseed library under ubaba uNtombela eyenza wonke lo msebenzi lo. It's a service abantu abangayiboni ukubaleka kwayo kodwa ebalekile kakhulu ukuthi mina ngize ngaqeda ukufunda elanga lakhe ngaze ngiye library ngaluke library sengifunda enyuvesi but njengamanje ezakithi ingane endaweni ezihlukahlukene there libraries alethwa iBayseed through this government olead umsunduzi municipality.
Wethu siyangase kulikhathuleni mina makuthi umuntu ubheme wakhona engibhemise ngakholwa angibhemi nje kodwa ngiqalekile ukubhema ngikholwe kangaka lokhu zami so njengamanje wonke umuntu uyafike la ngimnikeze ithuba uma kungathiwa kule ya camera utshela umuntu osibukayo njengamanje uthi aphinda akunikeze amandla lapha eMsunduzi iziphi izinto abangayibona ishintsha noma ngiyakunika nje ngiyakubanika kanjalo ukuthi khankasa mangathi uyakhankasa ukhankasela uthongolo siphindilezwe amandla eMsunduzi ungakhankasa uthini.
Singaqala ngokuthi nje asikhuluma ngento eziphathekayo lapha endaweni yakithi eElandscope ngakhe indawo ebizwa ngokuthi Elandscope Innovation Center. Sinama laptop awu30 sina access to internet for free esetshenziswa zingane ukuthi zize zizoku-applyela umsebenzi zi-applyela uNFSAS zenze i-research about umsebenzi wesikole nama homework. That on its own kukhombisa ukuthi when we are given the opportunity to lead asikhohlwa indawo la sivela khona. Ikhona le ndawo ibhizi kakhulu isetshenziswa abantu abaningi abahlukahlukene. That very same Elandscope Innovation Center isikwazi ukusosa different funds uqinisekisa ukuthi ingane that come from the destitute families ziyakuthola ama registrations zihambe ziyoregisterwa yona i-center le Elandscope Innovation Center nakulonyaka siregistile ingane ezintathu kuma university ahlukahlukene siphinde silekelele izingane ukuthi sikwazi ukuzithengela ama laptops lezi ezisuke ziphase kahle uthola ukuthi sezi-acceptiwe ezikoleni kodwa azinawo amandla abazali bakubothela ama-laptops. So konke kukodwa lokhu kukhombisa ukuthi uma sesikhethiwe sanikwa ithuba asikhohlwa indawo la sivele khona. Kulo nyaka the very same eLandscape Innovation Center yakhe amaklasi awu-5 kwaMadlala Primary School. Lawo amaklasi aphephulwa yisiphepho. Kubonakalile nakwabezindaba nawo wonke ama-social media ayekhona ukuhlukahlukana sihambisa i-material noku-appointwa kwa-contractor ozokwazi ukuthi akhiwe. The very same innovation center iyona ekwazi ukwenza konke lokho yenzela umphakathi. Asigcini-ke lapho ukuthi sisebenzele abantu baseSkopo la umuntu esuke ezalwe khona. But-ke kubalulekile kakhulu ukuthi i-African National Congress as an organization inikezwe ithuba because wonke lama project enzakalayo enzeka simply because we are the product of the ANC. I-ANC umlomo walaba abangeke bakwazi ukuzikhulumela. I-ANC okuyiyona liberation movement who understand the plight of our people. Hence ama-deployees ka-African National Congress konke akwenzayo aqhakambisa aphinde abeke kakhulukazi abantu nezidingo zabantu phambili. Umsunduzi as the municipality or as a sphere of government kubaluleka kakhulu ukuthi siphinde sinike i-ANC ithuba kuna next upcoming local government election ukuthi iqhubeke ukuze ikwazi ukuqhubeka konke lama projects lawa esesiqalile ukwenza ukuqinisekisa ukuthi impilo yomuntu iba ngcono ngale kwebala. Lokho esikwenzayo uma subheka kahle ama project engikhulume ngawo awakhulumi only to the stronghold the African National Congress. Wonke lama project athi cut across kuona wonke amawadi asemsunduzi ukuqinisekisa ukuthi zakhamuzi zasemsunduzi even emawadini azo kungaholi ANC but they do get i-service delivery. All councillors asemsunduzi alikho nelilodwa engathi ayikaze yabakhona i-service delivery ewadini yami ever since kwangeni i-ANC ngo-2021. So lokho kukodwa kunika i-ANC a strong opportunity yokuthi uma uqhubeka uyinika an opportunity that means that izo-escalator iphinde i-fast track the service delivery eseyiqalile bese kuthi the project okustabilizer isimo and make sure ukuthi idolobha siyaliklina siyalihlanza idolobha lethu siyaqinisekisa ukuthi laba sekulele khona abaphumule ngomphumulela wafuthi siyaqinisekisa ukuthi their resting place kuba yindawo enesidima nesithunzi. It's only African National Congress esidevelopile all those project. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga kakhulu lo bekade sinaye umxolisi ayicha ikhaba inkuzi malaka bakusho umuntu wenkuzi malaka mbeme ngakholwa but sisawumuyisa ngokulandelayo. Siyabonga kakhulu. Hey sikhulume kuze kuphela amabhetri bazozikhuluma phansi kuyavalelisa umbukeli nomlaleli wethu. Siyacela mfowethu usubscribe, ulike, ushare. Siyabona bafowethu indlela engena ngayo nenisupporta ngayo izandla izimile ekhanda. Siyabonga kakhulu.